property investment. Ito meron dito sa Ascensia, located at Santa Ana, Manila. Ito ang aming showroom. Meron kaming 2-bedroom showroom dito. With balcony. Ito na ang master bedroom. Ito yung pangalawang room. Ito ang living room. Dining. Kitchen. Ito na ang CR. Ayan, kung kayo naghahanap ng investment, located at Santa Ana, Manila. Malapit sa simbahan.